Hi everyone, I've recently completed an artist in residency through the Kick and Push Festival hosted here at the Tett Centre Gallery. So I'd like to show you what I have created. Let's dive in. These are some folks from the Kick and Push Festival right here helping out. Here's Maddie. Hi Maddie. Hi. Here's Amanda. And yeah, here is the immersive, interactive robot butterfly exhibit. We have some space themed right here with the fluid dynamic simulation. And so what Maddie is doing right now is conducting movements that the robots follow. So here you can see the stands are illuminating based off of the movements. And this this is using the Kinect sensor right there. And there's the robots. So the projector is connected to my computer, and all the robots are networked through Wi-Fi, through this local area network, LAN, to the MQTT server running on the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is connected to a little router, which all the robots connect to. And you may remember the power pack from Bowie the robot. That's right here, providing the 5 volts regulated. Then we have a connection here for an RC LiPo battery, but I made an adapter for DC when we're inside. So that's how the Internet of Things connectivity works for the robots. And here's a better look at it right now. I love it when you can go up close and then you see the particles on the stands. That's so cool. And then also the shadows of the wings through the projection. That's also really cool. There's 4 robot butterflies here that are all in performer mode. So when it's not active, it's doing an animation like this, also known as the zoom. And then when it is active, where's one that's active? There we go. Then it's animating a different NeoPixel animation and a different servo animation. This is just part 1. So part 2 is when you pick up a robot and then you get to be a conductor. Would you like to pick up red team? So it's sort of like red team versus blue team. Here we go. And then with these conductor robots, you can tilt them, and then the robots on the stage there do a coordinated movement as well. So Maddie here is on red team. Let's see if we can make a dance. Haha, that one was really cool. Alright, let's go at the same time. Ready? Alright, let's wait for yours. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Cool. And then these robots live on these stands right here. So that's a look at the project. It's been super fun to develop it. A lot of moving parts to connect together. such as the visualization, the robots, the MQTT server, and the Kinect. It's kind of two sets of robots, the performer robots and the conductor robots. Anyway, it's been great as a part of this residency, and I'll have a few other videos talking about this setup as well. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. Robot Butterfly is available as a kit, so you can buy one from our site and make one yourself. Link it up with our robots. Thanks so much to the Kick and Push Festival for the support. This didn't exist a few weeks ago, like the robots performing like this, so that's been pretty cool. Okay, for real, see you next time.